How to turn on or turn off sync contact accounts to Samsung and Google Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on sync contact accounts. After click on sync contact account, if you want to turn off Google and Samsung Cloud, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Google and Samsung Cloud is turned off. If you want to turn on Google and Samsung Cloud, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Google and Samsung Cloud is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Google and Samsung Cloud from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off sync contact account to Samsung and Google Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.